What's up everyone? Welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hi guys, I'm back with another BNGO video. Today we're going to go over some upcoming catalysts for BNGO that you should keep a lookout for. But before we get into that, I want to bring your attention to BNGO's career page. The company is going all out with hiring. Yesterday, they added an additional 9 positions and now they have a total of 39 openings, which is fantastic to see. And it's important to note that 8 out of these 39 positions are based outside of USA. It shows how serious the company is in expanding their global footprint. Some people have noticed that BNGO's official Twitter page hasn't posted anything in a while. There's some speculation that maybe they're planning on announcing something big, which is why they've gone silent. But I don't want to speculate here too much because it's also possible that they're looking to hire someone new for the position, because one of the job postings on their career page is a role for a marketing communications specialist. So I wouldn't worry too much about that, and there's no point in speculating here. So now let's look at some of the more important catalysts that are lined up for BNGO this year. In Q3 21, we're getting the commercial release of prenatal assays and expansion of the menu of pediatric assays. This catalyst is due soon, and we should expect to hear more about this next month. Q4, however, is going to be absolutely insane. We have a bunch of catalysts lined up here. First off, we're going to get interim publication of results from pediatric clinical studies. Then, we're getting validation of LDTs by 3 sites in both prenatal clinical study and our pediatric clinical study. And let's not forget, we're going to also get the highly anticipated initial prototype of next-gen high-throughput Sapphire. This is going to be huge when it happens. And then the primary goal, which is to reach installed base of 150 systems that would achieve 50% increase over year end 2020. So this year is jam-packed with catalysts, and I can see some exciting times ahead for the share price. Now let's quickly take a look at the chart to see what's going on with the share price. Please note that this is just some short-term price predictions, and short-term doesn't mean anything if you're a long-term investor like myself. But nevertheless, I think it's good to know what to expect with the share price in the short term, because some people, they panic sell. So if you already know that the share price is going to dip a little, then you're mentally prepared and you won't do anything drastic that you'll regret later. There are a few bearish signals on the chart in the short term for BNGO, and I'm talking about the time from now till probably Friday. First of all, the short-term moving average is now below the longer-term moving average. This is a bearish sign. Secondly, the MACD converged here when we had a bit of sideways movement. Whenever MACD converges, it signals a trend change, and in this case, because we have other bearish signals, it means that we could be heading down towards the $6.04 mark. The $6.04 doesn't provide us strong support, so if we do fall under that price point, we could be heading down all the way to $5.88. However, we should bounce back up from there as there is decent support at this price point. At the end of the day, whenever the price falls, you have to ask yourself one simple question: what has changed? If your original investment thesis still holds, then short-term price movements are just noise, and really shouldn't bother you. Anyways guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.